Welcome, loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing this eye makeup look. It's basically to get ready with me. If you're interested how to get this foundation look, I left the link in the description box. This is from my spring makeup get ready with me. We're going to be doing an outfit together. We're going to be doing this eye makeup look together, lip. So yeah, it's going to be fun, interesting, really pretty. It's a girly kind of style. Let's get started. I want to start with priming my lid. This is a crucial step, especially when it's really warm outside. Pick the right option as a primer because this way you're going to make sure that it's not going to sweat, leave any marks, and it's going to stay in place till the rest of the day. I'm going to be going with my NYX HD primer. I want to do something vibrant and pretty. I need a base underneath, and you can skip any base and go straight to your eyeshadows, or you can use some baby blue pencil, eye pencil, or maybe if you don't really have this option, white eye pencil is going to be great as well. I used my white eye pencil and it worked really well. All my colors, they popped up and they looked so much better. I want to create my base up to the crease, but a little bit lower than the crease because we're going to create a little shadow on top. I'm going to stop right in the outer corner of my eye, and I don't really want to drag this any further. Blend with a finger, and that's it. You're good to go. I have my Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. This is super colorful and vibrant eyeshadow palette. I love it a lot, and I'm going to be going with some blue eyeshadows today because, well, it's been a while. Maybe we can do a mix of both, a little bit of this shade and a little bit of that, or maybe I can go with this and that. And we're going to see which shade is going to come out of it. I have a flat brush. This one is from Beauty Bay. I'll start with a vibrant Paradise color. Cover my under eye because it's going to give me a lot of fallout. And let's pat this color on top like that. I want to concentrate it really low, and I don't really want to bring this super high. It's going to be underneath, and then the rest of the color is going in the outer corner. Here comes my second shade. It's Daydream. Again, we're gonna cover my lid and go on top. Ooh, that is pretty. And with the pointy brush, I was thinking that maybe I don't really need any color on top or something super soft like white, maybe shade, to make sure that we don't add additional color to my crease. I don't really want to bring this up. It's basically gonna blend the shape of this edge, and then we're gonna focus my other color on top of it, but I want to keep it pretty low. And now I want to go with a little bit different brush. This is short concealer brush. I want to do a little bit of maybe navy blue color, the one that I have right here. Name is Stormy Night. I don't want to bring this super high, and I just want to focus this on top of my crease, even a little bit lower than the crease. Like that. With the same pointy brush and white eyeshadows. Let's diffuse this line. We should add a little bit of this gray, and the color name is Thread on top of Stormy Night. I want to play with this beautiful blue color. This is, by the way, Makeup Revolution Redemption Palette Essential Day to Night eyeshadows. I'm going to go with my finger first and then see if I need a wet brush for this shadows. Yeah, I guess I'm going to add a little bit of wet brush. While we're working with this palette, let's add a little bit of white in the inner corner, like that. Maybe over brow bone. I want to keep it super simple for the waterline. Going with the same baby blue color. Maybe a little bit of the white shimmers in the inner corner. Finally, black eyeliner. I'll start from the middle part of my eye, go to the inner corner, and I want to get the line where my eyeshadows end. And I want to outline my inner corner shape like that. I'm gonna add a little bit of loose powder underneath my eye to make sure that I'm not gonna have any black marks. And let's do Essence of Crazy Volume Mascara, waterproof and not waterproof. Waterproof for the bottom lashes and not waterproof for my top lashes. Guys, unfortunately, I deleted my lip routine footage. That is the main reason why I'm going to be showing you one of my shorts and explain along the way. I did the same lip routine except for adding a little bit of gloss on top right at the end. And the first color I used was this really beautiful peachy undertone nude color, outlined with the color super similar to Eve Line Beige Sensation. And then topped my lips with Maybelline matte lipstick. This one is 940, and this is the same routine. Basically, you don't really need to add any lip gloss, or you can add a little bit of lip gloss and you're gonna get the same result. Let's put on this beautiful dress. It is amazing, guys. The worst part is to zip this up. Now let's put on these gold earrings. These are not real gold, but the imitation of gold, a really pretty one. My gold watch. I have my gold bracelet as well. I will create a ponytail. This is a tight ponytail. Maybe I will braid it. I think it's going to give me a little bit different look. Let's get this leopard print shoes. This is my Tiffany glasses that I will definitely put on. They're going to match the outfit perfectly well. And this is going to be the bag. And I'll see you next time. As I explained earlier, some of the footage is missing. That is the main reason why the outro is going to be this way. I love this transformation. This Get Ready With Me is super simple. It's easy. Do not forget to check out my foundation. The link is going to be down in the description box. Love you all guys so much. And I'm going to see you in my next Get Ready With Me or another tutorial. Love you all. Bye-bye.